Education is changing. It's evolving at a pace we've never seen before. The traditional methods of teaching, which relied heavily on textbooks and chalkboards, are being replaced by innovative technologies and interactive learning environments. This transformation is not just a trend, it's a necessity in our rapidly advancing world. It's not just about textbooks and classrooms anymore. Today, students are learning through digital platforms using laptops, tablets, and even smartphones. These tools are making education more accessible and engaging, allowing students to learn at their own pace and in their own style. In 2024, we're seeing a revolution in how we learn. Virtual reality, augmented reality, and artificial intelligence are becoming integral parts of the educational experience. These technologies are providing immersive learning experiences that were once unimaginable, making complex subjects easier to understand and more enjoyable to explore. Technology is at the heart of this change. Coding, for instance, has become a fundamental skill. Much like reading and writing, students are learning to code from a young age, preparing them for a future where digital literacy is as important as traditional literacy. We have amazing new tools to help students learn better and faster. Educational apps and software are providing personalized learning experiences, adapting to each student's needs and progress. Teachers are no longer just instructors, they are facilitators, guiding students through their individual learning journeys. This isn't just about keeping up with the times, it's about preparing students for a future that is constantly evolving. The skills they learn today will shape the world of tomorrow. By integrating technology into education, we are equipping students with the tools they need to succeed in a digital age. The world is changing faster than ever. Urbanization, globalization, and technological advancements are reshaping our societies. Education must adapt to these changes to remain relevant and effective. It's not just about imparting knowledge, it's about fostering critical thinking, creativity, and problem-solving skills. Jobs of the future will require new skills. Automation and artificial intelligence are transforming industries, creating new opportunities and challenges. Education needs to adapt to prepare students for these changes, ensuring they have the skills and knowledge to thrive in a rapidly changing job market. It needs to prepare students for this exciting future. Teachers play a crucial role in this transformation. They are not just educators, they are mentors, inspiring and guiding students to reach their full potential. By embracing new technologies and teaching methods, they are helping to create a brighter future for all. Think about how much the world has changed in the last 20 years. The internet has revolutionized how we communicate, work, and learn. Classrooms that once relied on chalkboards and overhead projectors are now equipped with smartboards, tablets, and high-speed internet. This transformation is just the beginning. The internet has transformed how we communicate. It has also transformed how we access information. Students can now research any topic with just a few clicks, accessing a wealth of knowledge that was once confined to libraries and textbooks. This instant access to information is empowering students to take control of their own learning. Smartphones put the world at our fingertips. They are powerful tools for learning, allowing students to access educational resources, collaborate with peers, and even participate in virtual classrooms. By integrating smartphones into the learning process, we are making education more flexible and accessible. Education needs to embrace these changes. It needs to be as dynamic and exciting as the world around us. By leveraging technology, we can create learning environments that are engaging, interactive, and tailored to each student's needs. This is the future of education. It needs to be as dynamic and exciting as the world around us. Collaborative projects, interactive lessons, and real-world problem-solving activities are making learning more relevant and enjoyable. Students are not just passive recipients of information, they are active participants in their own education. We're on the cusp of a new era of learning. An era where technology empowers both students and teachers. An era where learning is not confined to the classroom but can happen anytime, anywhere. This is an exciting time for education, filled with endless possibilities. An era where technology empowers both students and teachers. Teachers are using digital tools to enhance their lessons, making them more engaging and effective. Students are using technology to explore new subjects, collaborate with peers, and develop skills that will serve them well in the future. An era where learning is engaging, personalized, and accessible to all. Personalized learning software is adapting to each student's needs, providing tailored lessons and feedback. This approach is helping to close the achievement gap, ensuring that all students have the opportunity to succeed. This is the future of education, and it's filled with possibilities. By embracing technology and innovative teaching methods, we are creating a brighter future for all students. The landscape of education is changing, and it's an exciting time to be a part of this transformation. Imagine learning about ancient Rome by walking through its virtual streets. With VR, students can explore the grandeur of the Colosseum, the hustle and bustle of the Roman Forum, and the intricate details of ancient Roman architecture. This immersive experience allows students to feel as if they are truly part of history, making the learning process more engaging and memorable, or dissecting a human heart without stepping foot in a lab. Virtual reality can simulate the dissection process in a highly detailed and interactive manner, providing students with a hands-on experience that is both safe and educational. This technology allows students to repeat the dissection as many times as needed, ensuring they fully understand the anatomy and functions of the human heart. This is the power of virtual reality and augmented reality in education. These technologies are transforming traditional classrooms into dynamic learning environments where students can interact with digital content in ways that were previously unimaginable. Teachers can use VR and AR to create immersive lessons that capture students' attention and enhance their understanding of complex subjects. VR immerses students in completely digital environments, whether it's exploring the depths of the ocean, traveling to outer space, or walking through a historical event. VR provides a level of immersion that traditional teaching methods cannot match. This immersion helps students to better retain information and develop a deeper understanding of the subject matter. Imagine putting on a headset and being transported to the Amazon rainforest. You can hear the sounds of exotic birds, see the vibrant colors of the flora and fauna, and even feel the humidity of the rainforest. This kind of immersive experience can make learning about ecosystems and biodiversity much more engaging and impactful. You can learn about the ecosystem by interacting with it firsthand. Students can observe the behavior of animals, understand the interdependence of species, and see the effects of environmental changes in real time. This hands-on approach to learning helps students to grasp complex ecological concepts more easily and retain the information longer. This is a far cry from reading about it in a textbook. Traditional learning methods often fail to capture the imagination of students, leading to disengagement and a lack of interest in the subject matter. VR and AR, on the other hand, provide interactive and immersive experiences that make learning exciting and enjoyable. AR, on the other hand, overlays digital information onto the real world. This means that students can see and interact with digital content in their physical environment. For example, Arkansas can be used to display 3D models of historical artifacts, scientific phenomena, or even complex mathematical equations, making abstract concepts more tangible and easier to understand. Imagine pointing your phone at a car engine and seeing labels pop up, explaining each part. This interactive approach allows students to explore and learn at their own pace, making the learning process more personalized and effective. AR can also be used to provide step-by-step instructions for complex tasks, helping students to develop practical skills in a safe and controlled environment. This technology can turn any classroom into an interactive learning environment. By integrating VR and AR into the curriculum, educators can create lessons that are not only informative, but also engaging and fun. This can lead to increased student motivation, better academic performance, and a more positive attitude towards learning. These technologies make learning more engaging and effective. Students are more likely to participate actively in lessons, ask questions, and collaborate with their peers. This active engagement can lead to a deeper understanding of the material and improved critical thinking skills. Studies show that students retain information better when they experience it firsthand. VR and AR provide opportunities for experiential learning, where students can apply their knowledge in practical, real-world scenarios. This not only helps to reinforce the material, but also makes it more relevant and meaningful to the students. VR and AR provide those experiences, making learning more fun and memorable. By transforming abstract concepts into tangible experiences, these technologies can help to spark a lifelong love of learning in students. As VR and AR continue to evolve, their potential to revolutionize education and create more effective and engaging learning experiences will only grow. Every student is unique. They have different learning styles, paces, and interests, yet traditional classrooms often take a one-size-fits-all approach. This is where artificial intelligence comes in. AI can personalize the learning experience for each student. AI-powered learning platforms can track a student's progress. They can identify areas where the student is excelling or struggling. Based on this data, the platform can adjust the difficulty level. It can recommend additional resources or even suggest a different learning approach. Imagine a world where every student has a personalized learning companion, a companion that guides them through their educational journey, providing support and encouragement every step of the way. This is the promise of AI in education. Section 4. Microlearning bite-sized knowledge for the digital age. Our attention spans are shrinking. We live in a world of instant gratification and endless information. Traditional hour-long lectures don't always resonate with today's learners. Microlearning offers a solution. Microlearning breaks down information into bite-sized chunks. These could be short videos, interactive quizzes, or even infographics. Each chunk focuses on a specific concept. This makes it easier for learners to digest and retain information. Think of it like snacking on knowledge throughout the day instead of a heavy meal. You get small bites of information. This approach is perfect for our fast-paced digital world. Microlearning fits into our busy schedules. It caters to our shrinking attention spans. It's a learning approach designed for the way we consume information today. Section 5. Learning through play, the power of gamification. Games are engaging. They captivate our attention and immerse us in their worlds. They challenge us, reward us, and keep us coming back for more. The thrill of overcoming obstacles and achieving goals is universal. So why not use those same principles in education? Imagine a classroom where learning is as engaging as your favorite video game. That's the idea behind gamification. It's about integrating game mechanics into educational activities to make learning more dynamic and interactive. Gamification incorporates game elements into learning activities. This could be anything from earning points and badges to completing quests and leveling up. These elements are designed to tap into our natural desire for competition and achievement. They provide immediate feedback and a sense of accomplishment. Imagine students participating in a friendly competition where they earn points for completing assignments and badges for mastering new skills. Imagine a history lesson where students earn badges for answering questions correctly. Each badge represents a milestone in their learning journey or a science experiment that unlocks new levels as students make discoveries. Each new level brings new challenges and opportunities for learning. This is learning that feels like play. It's engaging, interactive, and most importantly, fun. Students are more likely to retain information when they're enjoying the process. Gamification makes learning fun and motivating. It transforms the traditional classroom into a dynamic environment where students are eager to participate. It taps into our natural instincts for competition and reward. By incorporating these elements, educators can create a more engaging and effective learning experience. It transforms the learning experience from a chore into an adventure. Students become active participants in their education, motivated to achieve and excel. Gamification encourages collaboration and teamwork. Students work together to solve problems, complete quests, and achieve common goals. It also fosters creativity and critical thinking. By engaging with gamified content, students develop skills that are essential for their future success. In conclusion, gamification is a powerful tool in education. It makes learning enjoyable, motivating, and effective. By harnessing the power of games, we can create a brighter future for our students.